Hey guys, welcome back to the Clutter Garden. It's been a couple of weeks, and today what we're going to do is we're going to get these fava beans into the ground. I'm putting them in an 8-foot fabric waste bed where I put the melons and the pumpkins. We're also going to do a very simple trellising system with some bamboo stakes. Hopefully that works out and we'll see how it goes. So let's get started. Okay, this is my 8-foot raised bed. This is a Smart Pots raised bed. This is where the pumpkins and also the watermelons are going to go. I'll be using these bamboo canes to make a simple trellis. My plan is to put 4. I have 16 of the plants. My plan is to put 4 in each quadrant. Here are what my broad beans look like. They're not for you, Soph. I had intended to plant these about a week ago, but the weather just was not cooperating. I'm glad I waited a week though, because it's been beautiful out the last few days. Okay, now for you. Let's get these planted. Admittedly, some of these fava beans look a little sad and dry, but hopefully they'll bounce back. Now time for a quick drink. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, or try to do, is create a very simple trellis for these beans. I don't want them to be too tight. Okay, since some of these are a little bit taller than others, I'm going to make a second layer and see if that'll help. Some of these were a little dry, so they're kind of sad. All right, so I'm gonna wait for the rest of them to perk up instead of doing a second layer on all of them. But here's kind of what it looks like right now. I'm expecting it to get much warmer over the next couple of days. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for today. I am going to be covering these with some straw mulch later on this week, hopefully tomorrow or the next day. And then I will give you an update on how things go. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.